So today I headed up to Leander, Texas, just north of Austin, just kind of southwest of Georgetown. I'm here to check out Perry Homes in the community of Bryson. Man, this place is pretty cool. Some people have called it the town of Mayberry. Everybody's so friendly around here. Hey, the clubhouse area even has a full-time activities manager. Yeah, so there's something to do here all the time in the Bryson community. So right now I'm standing inside of 1912 Woolsey, which is a brand new build, just about ready here. They're just cleaning everything up, getting it ready to move in. That's why it's so echoey in here. But we're gonna check out this one real quick, and then we're gonna head over to the model home and check that one out. So that was 1912 Woolsey here in Leander. So now we're gonna head over to Bryson's Amenity Center. That's pretty cool, right? So now we're gonna swing by the model home, check it out real quick. I'm gonna put a link below to the model home, the address. So if you are in the Leander area, wanna check out the Perry Homes here in the Bryson community, make sure you stop by and say hi. All right, so that was Perry Homes here in the community of Bryson, Leander, Texas. I'm gonna link everything below so you'll have all the info. Stop by and see them. Hey, I can even show you these houses too, but I've got one more thing for you. All right, here in the Bryson community, there's a sweet little spot. Now you have to walk a little bit to get here, but it's worth it. It's called the Overlook.